How is all of this playing out in the currency markets?
Because at the end of the day, for anyone watching the markets, this is what it all comes down to. How does all this economic data translate into actual price movements, especially for something like the US dollar versus the Japanese yen? And wow, the story in the foreign exchange markets over the last week could not be any clearer. The US dollar has been the undisputed king, the strongest currency by a mile. And at the very bottom of the pile, you have the Japanese yen. The euro and the pound are just sort of stuck in the middle. That divergence is absolutely dramatic.
So what's behind this huge move? It really all boils down to the central banks. In the US, even with a slowing economy, that sticky inflation is keeping pressure on the Federal Reserve to keep interest rates high. That makes holding dollars attractive. In Japan, it's the complete opposite story. A slowing economy means the Bank of Japan is likely to keep its super easy money policies in place, which weighs heavily on the yen. This massive split in policy is the engine driving the currency markets right now.
So, that's the lay of the land as we see it today. But the markets never stand still, and we have a few major events coming up in the next few days that could shake everything up in a big way.
And that brings us to the final crucial question. The market is betting on a strong dollar because of a US economy that's cooling but not collapsing. Will Friday's jobs report confirm that story? Or could we get a surprise number that completely reshuffles the deck and changes the entire narrative? That's what everyone is waiting to find out.